today I'm gonna make hi kids. Today I'm gonna make a video of two Angry Birds Star Wars plushes. The first one we have is Luke Skywalker bird. He has fluffy hair. His hair is fluffy, and he has a beak and yellow eyebrows and he has his eyebrows connected and his eyes connected, and he has a sword and his belt and white on the bottom. I think they all have white on the bottom, so I think they all have white on the bottom. So let me put this one. Okay. The next one we have is Princess Leia. She is very cute. Luke Skywalker has flower hair and she has a smaller beak and eyelashes and blue eyes, and she has white on the bottom too. And the white is her dress, so you can see that stuff and throw them at people. And my dad comes in and goes first. Hey. Okay. Now I'm gonna throw it. Okay. Bye, kids. Please like, favorite, comment, and no dislikes. If you dislike, I'm gonna blast you. If you dislike, so no dislikes to my video, okay? No dislikes to my video game, okay? Bye.